gentlemen, please welcome Swandie.
Who are you?
I'm Swandie.
That's my song you're singing.
No, that's not my song. It's called Call Me, and I wrote it on the tubas.
You wrote that on the tuba?
Yeah, I wrote it on the tuba on the tubas.
You wrote Call Me on the tuba.
I wrote, come on, I show you. Can you write the clip of a long time ago when I wrote it on the tuba? Call me, come the call me, so the genius, I'm a genius. You see, I tell you, call me.
Yeah, okay, you got me on that one. What are you guys doing backing her up?
We thought it was you.
Thanks. Well, I was going to come out here and wish everybody a Merry Christmas and sing the song, but you kind of blew it for me.
Okay, that's okay, I'll tell you everything. That's okay. That's what I want to do for you. Okay, now, because of the Christmas spirit, everything, you know, you're going to be really nice to me. I'm going to let you, maybe end of the show, you can sing my big hit song.
Oh, gee, you mean it?
If you're nice, you're going to be nice.
Well, okay, I'll be on my best behavior. It's going to be a long night. We'll be right back.